welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, hello, I am Sanika and this is a vlog. I'm in Mumbai and we're gonna film it. I'm here for some official work I have tomorrow and I'm gonna take you along with me. I have my new chotu tripod I'm gonna show you and I'll give you a room tour before I mess everything up. So let's get started. So this is the room where you enter from and this is my point of view. Yeah, so basically as you walk in, this is just seating area, TV, normal, table, dining table, not exactly dining table, just you can sit here and eat or do anything. Tote bag, tote bags, I love tote bags. A mess here already. So microwave, sink, and I'm gonna walk behind. This is the whole room. I hope you can see. And here's the room. Okay, so just the room. Cupboards. And now it's time for the bathroom. So let's go and check the bathroom. And you walk in the washroom. Hi, hello. I'll close it. So this is our new tripod, छोटू सा, and ये मेरे पास already था. I love the mirror. I love big mirrors. I love mirrors in any freaking way. Sink, basin, whatever you call it. Normal stuff. What do you call it? WC stuff. As you walk in from here. A bathtub. Okay, so that was the room tour. I hope you like the room tour. This is my first time giving one, and I really enjoy watching such vlogs where they show where they stay. I'll see you if I do something extra amazing. Hi, so it's almost 6:16 and guess what? I actually filmed a freaking video. Surprisingly, I finished a video and I'm gonna edit and I'm gonna upload. I'm gonna freaking upload today. I'll edit now and let's see कितना time लगता है dinner के time में. Hi guys, I hope you can hear me. It's actually dinner time, but I'm going to the mall alone because I'm the only person who's vaccinated. So my mom needs a bunch of stuff like scrub and all that stuff. Let's go to the mall with me. Oh, Chiji. Let's go. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm freaking lost. I don't know the way out. There are a lot of way outs. Even though I'm like really good at things. तो 10 मिनट रह गए थे और मैं जो भाग के गई ना अंदर क्योंकि ऑफ कोर्स मॉल बंद हो रहे थे एंड 5 मिनट में या 7 मिनट में मैंने पूरा शॉपिंग कर लिया. सिर्फ नायका गई क्योंकि ऑफ कोर्स मेरे पास इतना टाइम नहीं था. 2, 3, 4.
You've got magic in your eyes.
Hi guys, it's the next day. I hope you can hear me. It's almost evening and I did not film the whole day. Actually क्या हुआ कि मैं सुबह almost 5 बजे उठी. मेरा 8:30 around appointment था. तो मैं since 5 बजे उठी. We were in a hurry and we were almost late. We actually went to the wrong address and we had no idea कहाँ पर है. So it was a lot. So बहुत मतलब ये हो रहा था. फिर मुझे उधर ही 10:30-11 हो गया. फिर मैं घर पे आ गई, रूम में आ गई और सो गई. एंड नाउ वी गोइंग आउट. मैं जस्ट गोना सी रैंडम थिंग्स. इट्स जस्ट मुंबई. पीपल कीप आस्किंग कि क्या देखोगे. पुणे से बहुत पास है तो हाँ. लेट्स गो एंड एक्सप्लोर. सो नाउ टेकिंग द कार. टेकिंग शाह. लेट्स गो. So of course we had to first start by eating something and we went to Jama to have some chaat. Usually we don't eat from a plate but then बहुत ज़्यादा भीड़ थी तो we decided चलो let's take it Plus, please tell me I'm not the only person who likes a pani puri cold. I hate it when it's hot, but then मैं खा लेती हूँ कभी कभी अगर मेरे पास कोई ऑप्शन नहीं होगा तो मतलब क्या ही कर सकते हैं पानी पूरी ही होती है. एंड फिर हम लोगों ने एक्चुअली बहुत ज़्यादा शॉपिंग कर लिया क्योंकि मैंने रिकॉर्डिंग की नहीं थी क्योंकि हाथ भर गए थे. प्लस आई वांट टू शो यू दीज आर सो क्यूट. बेस्ट 300 रुपीज़ इन्वेस्टेड एंड देन वी वेंट टू डिनर. So this was our last day. We woke up super late and had our breakfast super late again. Then we checked out, had lunch, and we had 2 or 3 hours. So we went to IKEA, and oh my god, I loved it. I loved IKEA, and it was amazing. IKEA haul coming super soon, and I think that is it. I hope you like this video, this vlog, and if you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.